All right, everybody, Life's Journey of 50 here. So we're getting ready to do this Soggy Bottom thing. So big turnouts, should be a pretty awesome time. Later. What do you think about this place?
Solid.
Solid?
Always a good
Solid?
time. Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah. Pretty damn good.
Pretty damn good?
Yeah.
All right, you guys are now going to be part of the tubes.
Excellent.
There he is, man, myth, Hydrolock. All right, folks, we are headed out. We're doing dual sport ride today. They say it's going to push up over 100 on the heat index, maybe 105 or so. So this is going to be a toasty day. We're already sweating, but get a little breeze going, should be fine. Going out with a pack of 7 here. Couple of 100 riders in both the dual sport and like ADV, so the dual sport thing is going to be pretty fun. A lot of challenging stuff ahead. My first Soggy Bottom, folks, so hopefully this will give you a good taste. If you haven't been to Soggy Bottom so far, it's been absolutely fantastic. Josh and the team at Kissel does a wonderful job, and so far highly recommended. Just a great group of people. Obviously, you see a lot of the same folks at some of these events, but yeah, facility's great, and like I said, you really can't complain. So, all right, more to come. See you a little bit. Bye.
So, if they stop for gas at 22, we pass them.
Oh shit!
Yeah, they could bump up, but we're already at 29.
Oh. Should we wait?
I don't see our dudes up there.
Why is everybody turning around?
What's that?
Why is everybody turning around?
I don't know. I think maybe they all missed the turn.
All right, well, we're glad we made it then. We caught up. Whoa! Maybe I'm not doing it. Oh boy. Nice shirt. Coming right over to the left. what fun stuff here. Okay. Oh yeah, getting knocked around. Woo. Oh. Oh. Oh! I was following somebody else for a long time. I waited. I don't know. I don't know where we got separated.
Well, that railroad section.
Come here. You got a wasp on your. Hold back. Lean back. Lean back. Got it. Gone. Yeah, that's where. And then I started following this guy, and we were ripping along. He pulls over to the side. I thought maybe I forgot. Oh, that's not you. All right. What's up, Matt? Started off with 7, now we were with 1, now we're back to 3. Some good trails here, I have to tell you. Some good shit. That does not look like any tire tracks in that, so. I'll do expert section, I don't care. Whatever you guys want to do, go for it. I'm good with anything.